SJ cam accessories, and this is the only accessory I have bought. I have not bought the Wi-Fi watch and the selfie stick, so I have bought this external mic. Now this is the first time that they have launched an external mic for the SJ cam series. It was not in the 4000, the M20 or the M10 or the Sj5000X Lite. So this is the first time they have given a mic. Now it is not included in the box with this. You have to purchase it differently. If you are purchasing both in a combo, then you will just get it on something like 900 rupees or something. But if you are purchasing it in different package, so it will cost you something around 1500 to be precise. Okay, so talking about the external mic, this is a very useful kind of thing when you are motor vlogging or anything, if you are going in a concert or something, because the use of a external mic, it is they have the internal mic in this, but when you are shooting it on rides or anywhere adventure sport you are doing, the wind buffet you get if you are doing skydiving or you are riding a motorcycle, so it's like you will get a lot of wind buffeting, and that can spoil your voice or the video whichever you are making. So while using this, the advantages are like it will be plugged inside of your helmet, so it won't get exposed to the wind which is coming from out if you are riding at something around 100, or because all the wind comes so much that it will spoil your video, and I know that people won't like that. So let's unbox this. Now they have packaged it well. There is a barcode and it is written at brain freeze. I mean, see, you will get it the same price on Amazon, I think. So let's unbox this. So there it is, the backdrop of it. There's the mic. Okay, so let's just keep this aside. So this is the mic. It looks very sturdy. You can turn it however you want. This is the clip they have given. You can detach it whenever you want. It is a very nice clip. You need to attach it over this part. Now for now let's remove this. Let's open this wire. Okay. There you go. It is a pretty long wire. I don't know how many meters it will be. They have not mentioned it on the box. This is a mini USB port, so you can't use it as a micro USB too. So that must be the reason they have put the both mini USB port and the charging port together. So let's just take this off. There you go. There comes the camera, and we'll just plug in it inside. So there it is. This is the way it gets plugged in. So on, and yes, it is just, and whenever you speak or just speak whatever you want in the, you want a blog or something about it, and it will just record crystal clear sound, and then just clip it wherever you want, inside the helmet or in your collar, wherever. So yes, talking about the advantages, the same. It can be used in it will prevent the wind buffeting you are getting. So as simple as that. So this was the video of unboxing the SJ Cam Sj6 mic, and it can be only used in Sj6 as they have written on the box. Sj6, Sj7 and Sj360. So the Sj5000 people and all, don't go for it. It won't help you out. And let's just clip it on somewhere. Now here, like this. And then if you are attaching it to camera, this is a better option when you are just hovering around anywhere and just shooting with the camera plus the mic. So this is a very good setup. So do buy this too from SJ Cam HD India. It will help you a lot. So that's all offering from the SJ Cam. This is the SJ Cam accessory known as the SJ Cam mic for the first time.
The mic actually supports well. I don't know about will it create some buffer, because I don't have that chin protector in my helmet. So just a bit tricky about it. It will help better than the internal. It's nice that they have given the option. It's optional. You have even the internal mic and even the external one. I don't know if they have the switching option between them. Means when you are using the external one, the internal will go off. Because the biggest issue is the wind buffet you get. That's the thing which spoils the video. So let's see after the post processing how it goes.
Thank you for watching this video. Do share, subscribe and like the video. Give a thumbs up. Do share it in your groups. It will help me a lot, and I'll even unbox more of the accessories once they come out and help you all. Thank you for watching.